My name is Shakira Smith. I am 20 years old and I'm from the US. So I came in September, so not that long. I started in the fall. I choose the Academy of Fine Art because it was a great opportunity for me. I wanted to go to college, but then I didn't want to take the other classes like math or English because I would just be sleeping and it would be boring, and I knew I was going to drop out anyway. So I'm like, well, I just want to go to a place where I can only focus on art, and this school gives me that opportunity. I only do art 24/7 and I love it. I didn't really have big expectations. I just knew my expectation was like I would just be learning the skills that I need, and I'm learning those skills. It keeps me grounded. Yeah, so there's this rule where we're not supposed to throw papers away, and it drives me insane, but I go back and look at those papers and my work now, and I'm like, yeah, okay. I had a couple art classes. I took a anime class, because who don't get into anime drawing? A little chibi class. I took an animation thing in high school. It was mostly coding, but it had like designs in there, so I took it. Just like little workshops here and there. I say in a workshop, it's like only lasts for like 2 hours and something, or maybe 1 hour, and there's only one teacher, and you know, they're probably not as much experience as the teachers are here. They don't have the training as much, but when I get here, I'm around professional teachers that have gone to one of these academies, and they know about, you know, the art scene more than the classes I took at the workshop. I'm understanding a lot of terms like values and contrast and all that other stuff. It's just art words that I didn't really know before, especially in art history. I'm learning that's really important to know. Just simple things, different shades and art supplies that I should know, how to work with medium safely. Like when you like scraping charcoal, don't put it up to your nose because that stuff will get in your system. And yeah, just time management also. It teaches me to be on class time, because if I'm not in there, I just can't walk in, and be respectful to people, because be kind to them, they'll be kind to you. So, the teachers are very nice and kind, and they're just genuine. They'll tell you when something's wrong, and they'll be like, but I also tell you when something's right, which is good. The students come in different ages and age groups. We got the older students, they're like parents, and they'll help us, and then they'll take you under your wing. Got younger students, they'll be like, yeah, you get to. You got middle students like me, and I'm like, yeah, this life thing is great, you know, just working on this stuff. So yeah, we all become one big family. I like talking to people, and if I need something, like I know you just talked to Natalie, and I ask her for a lot of stuff. I'd be like, do you have a pencil? Do you have this? Do you have that? And she will give it to me, but like we always trade our stuff when we don't have something. And yeah. Yes, I would recommend this academy, totally. The reason why is because if you're actually passionate about art, I would suggest studying here. If you're not, don't come here. It's especially full-time, 24/7 work, and I will be truthful, it always has not been easy. It's not easy living in a different place. It hasn't been easy for me, but what keeps me going is the school. If it wasn't the school, I wouldn't know what I would be doing with my life, so that is truthful. So yeah, that's it.